Hi, and thank you for tuning in to another video.
My name is Katina Rabb. I've been a licensed hairstylist for more than 15 years. I specialize in extensions and precision cutting. I have a passion for all things beauty, including hair, makeup, and fashion. And today I'm going to come to you with another comparison video. This week we'll be comparing these two brands, which are Myfirstwig and UNice. First, we're gonna start with the unboxing of the UNice hair. And this is what the box looks like. And inside the box, they have this cute little pink satin bag. And inside, they have included a wig cap, a wrap for your edges, some lashes, and they even included a cute little gift, and it is a little pendant necklace with a little angel. And last but not least, the unit. It is a 16-inch body wave front lace unit. Super soft, shiny. And this is what the lace looks like. And this is what it looks like on my skin. It already has a pre-part down the center. And it looks like it has a 5x5 closure. Now we're gonna move on to the Myfirstwig box. And again, this is what the box looks like. This is what the hair comes in. It's a really cute pink bag, and it has their logo on it. They also include this little Myfirstwig Ziploc bag. And inside this little bag, they have a rat tail comb, some little clippies. It also has a wig cap as well. And then for the literature, they include this little postcard that gives you 20% off of your wig. And then as for the actual hair, we're gonna take it out of the bag. The hair has a really soft touch and a really natural shine. It's constructed well. It comes with 2 clips on the inside and 1 on the back end. So that's everything that's included in the Myfirstwig box. Now we're gonna get to the good part, where I actually test the hair. And to test the hair, I am going to be doing a heat strand test. I'm also going to color the Myfirstwig unit. I am also going to determine how the hair feels, if the hair tangles, and if the hair sheds. Because those are the most important factors when you're purchasing quality hair. You don't want any hair that's shedding all over the place when you're combing it. You definitely don't want any hair that's tangling, that's unmanageable, or that is stiff and doesn't have any movement to it.
The first thing I'm going to do to test this hair is to add some highlights to it around the face to see how it receives color. I'm going to start by applying powder bleach with 30 volume developer to frame the face of this unit. And this is what it turned out like once I shampooed the unit and let it air dry overnight. The color is nice and vibrant with minimal shedding. Next, I'm going to be doing a blunt cut on the UNice lace closure wig. I'm going to be using my clippers to get a precise blunt cut on this unit. I decided to leave the middle part, the original parting that was on the wig when I took it out of the package. And now I am taking a flat iron and flat ironing the unit because it did have some body wave texture to it. So I am just flat ironing it so that it can have a nice, straight, smooth texture. And the hair actually flat ironed pretty easily. It did not take many passes in order to achieve the straight look I was going for. You may have noticed that the knots have already been bleached, and I did go ahead and cut some of the lace off of this unit. Now I'm going to be installing this unit. I really love the texture of this hair. It has plenty of body. Next, I'm going to be installing the Myfirstwig unit. This unit is a lace frontal, so it actually takes a little bit longer to install than a lace closure, which is only 5 by 5. This one comes all the way across the front of your hairline, which is a little bit better if you are trying to style your hair in different ways or to have a lower part. This would be more convenient. With the 5 by 5 closure, you're only allowed to do the parting so far down. So maybe a middle part or a traditional side part would be your only options with the closure. But with the lace frontal, you have the options of parting the hair in multiple different ways. So that is one of the benefits of the lace frontal. Right now, I am just cutting the extra lace around my ear so that the unit fits properly. To style this unit, I'm going for an asymmetrical bob with a blunt cut. So now I am just cutting the unit. Now I'm taking a curling iron and smoothing the roots, and then next I will flat iron the bob for a sleeker look. This unit held heat very well and was easy to flat iron. The hair was left with a very natural shine with no products added. The only thing negative I could say about the Myfirstwig is that the hair seemed a little bit thinner than I would like, so it does not have as much density as the UNice wig did. So this is the finished look of the Myfirstwig. It does have body, has a great shine. Compared to the UNice wig, I like the lace on that wig a little bit more than I like the lace on this one.
And now for the moment of truth. So you guys asked me which one of the brands I think had the better quality hair. And I would honestly have to say I thought the UNice was just a little bit better than the Myfirstwig. The UNice hair is really, really soft. It doesn't shed at all. I like the lace a lot better than I like the lace on the Myfirstwig.
So there you have it, and thank you for turning into another comparison video.